Take a look at stock ticker symbol SRMX right now, currently traded at 0129. Guys, before I even get into SRMX, I want to point out one thing with this one. This is going to be a stock that we've been covering here, or tracking rather, for, you can see it here, back over here in January 8th. But most importantly, before I even get into this stock analysis, I want to point out JTrade over here on investorshangout.com, and I want you to pay attention to this date. This is going to be November 18th of 2017, and if you look through, I mean, this is by far the most extensive due diligence post I think that I've ever seen on Investors Hangout. I mean, I just put my my mouse on hyper scroll. Look at that. I mean, the amount of information in this post is just unbelievable, guys. And this is going to be over on Investors Hangout. JTrade actually won the stock contest last week with SRMX. So shout out to you personally. Great job with this. Amazing due diligence that you've put together, and just awesome. So again, this is going to be available over here on investorshangout.com. The MVP board by JTrade. Again, right now, 51.76. You guys are up again. Just amazing, guys. Amazing. Next resistance level, 0140. We see that over here. We're going to base that off the 30-minute chart. If we snap over here to the 30-minute chart, this is what we're going to be watching right here. Again, based on all of this information that we put together here, you guys could see where the support and resistance levels have all come back together here. Support and resistance, and then support and resistance, and then boom, right there around 0120, now making a very nice solid support for the last 3 hours of trading. Look at that, 0128 now making your climb back up, so far hitting that high of 0134. I think the heavy resistance that you're going to see around that 0140, but don't let that scare you, because look at what happens here. You guys, once you break through it, especially over the last few days of trading here, actually last 5 trading days, once you guys get above it, you guys usually hit the next resistance level, come back down. Unfortunately, right here, this one actually came through, but for the rest of them, you guys came back up, tapped it again, hit that resistance levels 3 days in a row or 3 hours in a row, and then came back down, and then just bounced off of that really nicely. As of right now, over here on the daily, you guys are getting outside that upper Bollinger Band a little bit, but in my personal opinion, the RSI is at 83. This one still has some juice in it and could continue to keep going from here, again, in my personal opinion. So let's go ahead and update this information for SRMX. We're going to put in $122 for today's current date, 0126, resistance levels at 0140, 0160, 0180 and 02. I think you guys break through that 02, you're going to have another pretty big breakout from there, okay? Just like what you've seen over here with that break of that 01, you guys really got that momentum underneath this one. Again, off that 02 break, there is not too much even holding you guys up from here. I mean, you guys got through a lot of areas, especially way down here in the sub-penny area. That was going to be a lot of resistance levels. You guys are starting to make your way up to making bigger and stretcher, longer moves than just coming up a few points here and there, and that's exactly why you guys are seeing the movement that you're seeing here. Support levels underneath this one, 0120, we just confirmed that over here on the 30-minute chart that we were looking at, 01 and then 008 and 006 for the support. In my opinion, again, with the break of 02. So again, that volume's coming in here, the momentum's coming in. Watch it for this thing to steadily climb. Now, I mean, if that volume comes in and pushes this thing way back, up past that 02, you're going to see some serious movements. If the volume slows down, hey, you might go sideways here for a few days. But you guys have, I mean, this one looks to be just starting out here with the way that this one has been moving. So again, we're going to continue to track this one. SRMX, as always. If you guys follow the stock, I encourage you to check out the description below for the SRMX stock message board. We share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors on investorshangout.com. You also have unlimited access to Filings, financials, company news, company profiles, and all the other users here on investorshangout.com. Again, SRMX, make sure you check out that link over here for JTrade's due diligence. Really, really awesome post put together over here on Investors Hangout. Again, we're going to continue to watch SRMX.